In this video, I'll show you how to add a blurred shadow to text in Canva for free. So, if you were wondering how to get that blurred effect on your text in Canva, this is the video for you. Let's go. First of all, head over to canva.com, and if you haven't already signed up, do that now. It's easy and it's free. On the home screen, as our design will more often than not be used for a thumbnail, we'll type in YouTube thumbnail. We'll start from scratch, so select Create Blank YouTube Thumbnail. Next, we will add some text. You can either click on the text icon on the left menu or simply press T on your keyboard. We will write Blurred Drop Shadow, and we will change the font to Horizon, the size to around 90, and center the text on the canvas. Next, we will download the text to make it into an image. To do this, first we will give our design a name. I will call it Blurred Drop Shadow. We click on the download button, making sure to select PNG and hit download. Next, we head over to remove.bg and drag the image onto the screen. We hit download, head back over to Canva and select uploads. We select upload media and locate our image. Usually this will be in your downloads folder. Although this may look a little confusing, it is now an image, so click to add to our canvas. Before we resize the new image, let's change our original text to yellow and drop in a nice blue background. This can be done by selecting background on the left menu and changing the colour. Next, we will adjust the new image to match the text size. Click adjust, where we can now add a blur effect. Once you are happy with the blur, click on position and send it backwards. Fine tune its position by using the up, down, left and right arrow keys. When you're ready, just hit download and you're done. It's as easy as that. If you enjoy this type of content, please consider subscribing, drop a comment below and hit that like button. It's appreciated. We'll see you in the next one.